Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today's task is we have to do few more questions based on tangent and normals. Yesterday we learned how to write equation of tangent. So first I am going to recall it. So equation of tangent, what was equation of tangent? Yesterday I told y minus y1 is equal to what?
mx minus x.
dy upon
EX.
dx, and it is x minus x1 where what? x1 y1 are given points. Are
Given points.
given points. If I want to write equation of normal, and the last moment I told that nothing changes there, only what is difference? Dy upon dx will be
And
negative and reciprocal of slope of tangent. Slope of
tangent.
So if it is, and what is slope of tangent? What is the other name of slope? I told yesterday, gradient. What is that?
Gradient.
And in mathematical form, in the form of this chapter or concept of this chapter, derivative, that is dy upon dx. Simply dy upon derivative of any curve is called its slope of
Tangent.
tangent. Yeah.
Slope of tangent.
Derivative of given function will be gradient or slope of tangent at given point. Very understood? Option. Okay. So what is the equation of normal? Yes, you tell me. Equation of normal.
Y.
Loudly.
Y minus Y1.
Y minus y1. Very good. Minus negative and reciprocal. Reciprocal upon of this. Upon of this. What should I write here?
DX by dy.
dy by dx. dy by dx at point x and y1. I told that the derivative, the slope is numerical value. That is, and what should I write here? X minus x1. So these are the two formulas to be used in this exercise. Clear? So equation of tangent, we do few questions yesterday or not? We did or not? I have one question. Equation of normal. Any question we solve equation of normal yesterday? So we should do first one equation of the based on equation and normal, then we will go to another type of variety, है ना? few points निकालना, slope निकालना, conditional question I want to say. So now tell me one question, any question based on the equation, finding the equation of normal.
Find the equation of tangent and the normal at each other. Y is equal
Equation
to
of tangent also you are saying,
and normal
tangent and normal.
to each of the following curves at given points. Y is equal to x cube
Y equal to x cube
at 1, 1.
at 1 comma. This is very simple question. This is baby question you can say, है ना? कोई difficulty नहीं है because derivative is very simple. Okay.
Yes.
So what should I do? First I told that if there is a question on based on equation of tangent normal, first step is to find slope. And how will find slope?
We are given the points.
dy by dx, है ना? What is other name of slope? ग्रेडियंट, है ना? बिकॉज ग्रेडियंट का न्यू टर्म यू आर इलेवन तो यूज किया था, बट बच्चे हैं आप लोग भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि आपके पास तो इतना बड़ा संसार है, आपने तो इतनी दुनिया देखनी है ना, इतने सब्जेक्ट देखने हैं, दुनिया देखनी है. देन ओनली गुड स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू बी दैट वी हैव फोकस ऑन दैट ऑल द थिंग्स, है ना? ऑलराउंडर एट प्रेजेंट द डिमांड ऑफ दैट कंट्री इज व्हाट? ऑलराउंडर चाइल्ड, है ना? सब कुछ आना. क्लियर? सो हियर y equal to x cube. So what is dy by dx? This is the question. dy by dx, tell me. It is very simple, huh?
3x square.
So y are silent. 3x square. Then what is next step?
X
dy by dx at x equal to 1 and
y is equal
y
to
equal to 1. So only x is there. So equal to 3 into 1 square. So equal to that is 3. Slope is 3. Slope, what is 3? Slope किसका? 3 is the slope of 3 is the slope of Silvalji. Huh? Tangent or normal? Huh? Why? I told that at the definition I told that initially the gradient slope, initially the derivative you are getting. Derivative of function is the slope of tangent only. Slope of नॉर्मल का तो हम बाद में निकालेंगे बाई टेकिंग नेगेटिव एंड रेसिप्रोकल. क्लियर? So this 3 is the slope of tangent. So equation of tangent now. Equation of tangent is equal to what? Tell me. Y minus what is y1?
1.
1. Very good. Equal to what? Slope 3. Directly I am writing, not writing formula. Okay, already written here. I am not writing formula. So now 3 and x minus what again? 1. So it is y minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. So finally answer will be 3x minus y and it is minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent on curve y equal to x cube at point 1 and 1. So is it visible? Nirmal, see here, this portion is visible.
पूरा
Okay, very good. यार good यार. But what do you mean? It is all visible. Okay. So that should be no need of written. Now, Deepak ji, now see.
नहीं.
Okay. So now next part of this question is that what you have to do equation of
Normal.
normal. Very good. So for equation of normal, what you have to do? First you write the slope of normal. Slope of normal. What is slope of normal? Yasu? Slope of normal. Slope tangent कितना है? एक. Slope. This is है ना? Slope of tangent is 3. Now I want slope of normal at same point. क्या होगा? Nobody will tell, only Yasu will tell. I told that if the question, this is a very important topic for examination point of view also, and you should know that one. So just I told that for finding slope of equation of tangent, we need slope. So how we are finding slope? By taking derivative dy upon dx. dy upon dx is derivative of tangent. Hesitating बोलो ना, गलती तो होगा. I will correct it. Okay? क्या बोलो? dy upon dx of any curve at given point is क्या? Tangent of slope. That is the slope of tangent. क्या? Slope of tangent. So I am asking to you, and already I told that what is relation between tangents, slope of tangent and normal. Negative and relation still I told that if two lines are perpendicular, so what is relation between their slopes? M1 minus 1. So from where we get if slope of slope and tangent and normal are always perpendicular, है ना? तो this is the case only. अगर एक का m है तो दूसरे का कितना हो जाएगा? -1 upon है. और फंडा मैंने शॉर्टकट बताया था आपको, नेगेटिव एंड रेसिप्रोकल. क्या? डोंट एवरी टाइम यू कांट गो यूज दिस वन, है ना? आप हर समय इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते, तो आप जस्ट यूज शॉर्ट ट्रिक. क्या है? नेगेटिव एंड. सो इफ स्लोप इज 3, व्हाट इज दिस स्लोप ऑफ नॉट टेंजेंट? So what is the slope of normal assume? Lovely. Minus reciprocal भी तो करना है भाई.
-1
Means this is 3 upon 1. No? Reciprocal is जो तो बोलो ना. What? -1 upon 3. Now yes, we on correct side. Clear? Now apply the same formula. Tangent normal is also line. Normal is also straight line. उसका equation क्या होता है? That is y minus point is same. m is -1/3 and it is x minus x1. क्या बोलो? It is 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x and it is plus, sorry, x1 is 1, no? And it is plus 1. What is that plus? 1. सबको इस साइड कर लो. x plus 3y and it is minus 4 is equal to what? सही? So this is the equation of क्या?
Normal.
This is the equation of normal and this is the equation of tangent. Clear? So now I think it should be clear how to write equation of tangent and normal of given curve at given point. Copy it? Can I rub it? Or you need time? ये तो हो गया भाई.
Sir, we are missing.
Yes. Yes. Any more question, बेटा? बताओ.
Find the equation of normal to the curve ay square is equals to x cube.
Equation of
Normal
normal at
to the curve ay square
curve is ay square
is equals to x cube
x cube
at the point am square
and yes am square
am cube.
am cube. ठीक. ऐसा सिंपल है, वन है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द am से थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेसी होगी. a is the treated as arbitrary constant. Arbitrary means for time in the constant. Variables are only x and y. Variables will be treated only x and y. Rest of the parameters will be constant. Okay. So a क्या होगा इसमें? Constant. m क्या होगा? Constant. बस. So we have to find the equation of normal. So what should be our first step? Derivative. Derivative of curve. So what will find? क्या मिलेगा? Slope of
Normal.
tangent. ये सही बोला है. Then
अच्छा.
tangent का derivative will give only slope of tangent only.
हाँ.
Derivative of curve will give the slope of tangent only. फिर normal का निकालेंगे negative and reciprocal. Very good. So what will be tell me derivative of a square दीपक बताएंगे. Derivative of a square ay square y square का वेरी गुड यार दीपक यार सेकंड है. हाँ बेटा गुड वेरी गुड. एक एक्चुअली एक बिल्डअप योर कॉन्फिडेंस है ना. अगर छोटा मोटा आंसर आपने दे दिया तो उससे आपका मोरल बढ़ता है ना. तो इसलिए इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू कीजिए है ना. डोंट बी साइलेंट. गलती तो होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम सही होगा.
और मुझे पलड़े से मारते हैं.
यस गुड. ए वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू व्हाट? ए 2y
Divided by dx.
3 यार व्हाट इज दैट? पलड़िया इधर मार है ना सब हमारा स्प्लिट है. सो नाउ व्हाट इज dy by dx? dy by dx equal to 3x square upon what?
2ay.
2ay. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So now point is also given. dy by dx at this is the way of writing x equal to what?
Yes,
am square and y equal to what?
yes.
am. तुझे मार्कर जो अच्छा बहुत अच्छा मार्कर है ना. शाइनिंग अच्छे मार्कर. So now is equal to what? Place the value of x and y. 3 into a square and to the power 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
See any mistake? So try to calculate yourself also. Don't believe on me. आपको अपने आप पर भी क्या करना है? So now what will be 2a and what is the y is am cube. So a square and cube रहेगा. So a square cancel by this and cube cancel by this. What is left? 3 by 2 m is left or not? See. Check yourself. Okay. From your side also calculate the problem. खाली वैसे सीधे सीधे निकाल. कॉपी शेयर करते हैं बार-बार रिपीट करते हैं. Clear? So this 3 by 2 m is the slope of
Tangent.
tangent. Now what we need? Actually we need the slope of
Normal.
normal. So I am writing here slope of normal is equal to कौन बताएगा? दीपक. Slope of normal minus यार दीपक you are very good यार. दिमाग बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. मजा आ गया. दीपक you are progressing very good है ना. मैंने so now equation of normal यही लिख लेते हैं है ना. Equation of normal is needed. So slope is minus 2 upon 3m. Minus 2 upon 3m. Minus 2 upon 3m is the slope of normal. So equation of normal is equal to now y minus y1. What is y1? am cube. Yes, previously I heard it. am cube is equal to m is slope minus 2 by 3m. And x minus x1 is this is the. Now go for cross product. 3y minus a3 3am cube is equal to minus 2mx minus 3 होगा. It is plus 2am square स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 x और में चले हाँ गुड यार यस यू आर आल्सो इन क्लास यार गुड Silvaj very good you are always sincere in class good from the class there that observing so now take 3y so first I write the variable x okay so if I will transpose this side what will be this plus 2mx plus 3y minus 3am cube minus 2am cube upon 3 is equal to 0 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बोलो 3 एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा so not 6mx plus 9y minus 9am cube and it is minus 2 हाँ
तो जो m है वो 3 के साथ उधर नहीं जाएगा y वाली साइड
2am cube
2m x नहीं करना ना वो m हो जाएगा
yes you are good you are also sincere yes very good you are present in the class good so 2 3 is already multiplied here no 3 पहले multiply हो
हाँ,
गया
नीचे भी।
so this won't be there है ना ये नहीं होगा so फिर ये भी नहीं होगा then so this is the final so here you can what can do you can simple calculation and do so it is 2mx plus 3y minus 5am cube is equal to 0 है ना एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन समटाइम जैसे आप लोग थोड़ा सा गोली उड़ाते हैं हमें भी खिलानी पड़ती है गोली ओके फिर Where?
3y m होगा
3y
m होगा यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में भी जस्ट नीचे
3y is this
3y m होगा सर
y
क्योंकि सर जो m है वो नीचे 3 के साथ है ऊपर 2 के साथ नहीं है
मल्टीप्लाई में
काटा है ना सर वो 3m है
so
और नीचे
the mistake is here na so it should be corrected then the why is sitting silent
सर मैं वही तो बता रही
from
हूँ।
the beginning right you are just here telling after doing this work you are doing that okay
मैंने जब आंसर निकाला तो मैंने कहा आंसर डिफरेंट वाला कब चेक
yes slope actually the mistake is there to write the slope here no
m
That should
नीचे
be-
आएगा
actually it is 2m upon 3 so minus 3 upon 2m होगा क्या होगा minus बोलो
नहीं वो ये
हाँ minus 2 upon 3m होगा क्या होगा
हाँ,
minus 2 upon
3m
3m it is like that है ना इसी से मिस्टेक हो गई है ना अब करते हैं दोबारा so y minus y1 is am cube m is minus 2 upon 3m it is x minus x1 is am square now right सही है ना
यस सर
प्रगति is it correct
यस सर
3my minus 3am to the power 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. Now, transpose 2x plus 3my minus 3am to the power 4 minus 2am square is equal to 0. So, this is the answer now. देखो check करो आंसर कितना है
2x plus 3m/.
हाँ कॉपी करो ये यार रखो कॉपी now one question based on थोड़ा सा now different this is the these are the question based on
No.
equation on normal and tangent now another type of question category 2 that is how to find out the point on curve where the tangents or normal are given find the points on curve ऐसा वाला that is
point on curve x square
good very good very good very good can I have it
yes sir
okay. क्या बोलो फाइंड क्या क्वेश्चन
find the point on the curve
पॉइंट ऑन कर्व
x square upon 4
कर्व x स्क्वायर
upon 4
अपॉन 4
plus y square upon 25
25
equals to 1
1 at
at which the tangent are parallel to x axis और दूसरी कंडीशन है parallel to y axis
यस वेरी गुड दोनों चीजें होगी टेंजेंट्स आर पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस दिस इज फर्स्ट केस सेकंड केस पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस ये है ना केस
yes sir
okay so what is the tangents are given na
yes sir
tangents can I have it remaining portion First of all, to solve this question, you should go in class 9. Okay? कहाँ जाना चाहिए? 9th में 11th में बताया था मैंने इसको. These are the coordinate axes. This is x axis. This is y axis. What is the slope of this x axis? समझना है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई नहीं बताने वाले बात नहीं. टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्लोप? इंक्लिनेशन विद द एक्स एक्सिस. अब एक्स एक्सिस का उसी पर स्लोप क्या हुआ? जीरो. ये इसी पर तो जीरो हुआ ना. द स्लोप ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए, दैट इज व्हाट?
जीरो.
एंड स्लोप ऑफ वाई एक्सिस दैट इज इंफिनिटी, अनडिफाइंड. व्हाट इज दैट? Undefined, है ना? And undefined, when if you use undefined in calculation, so we will write 1/0, not indefinite. We will use 1/0 may be used for the calculation, but this term can't be used for calculation. So where the calculation is needed and infinity is there, so what we will do? 1/0. So write, what we write? First write for your knowledge, slope of x equal to this and slope of y is this. So slope of x-axis is what?
Zero.
Slope of y-axis is what?
1/0.
1/0, है ना? Infinite and undefined. Infinity means that is 1/0. So now curve is there.
Yes, sir.
So slope of this curve is what? The slope of curve, slope of tangent at this any point on this curve. Proper language is स्लोप किसका होना है? टेंजेंट का होना है. टेंजेंट किस पर होगा? कर्व पर. कर्व कहाँ पर? कर्व पे कहाँ पर? एनी पॉइंट, है ना? तो लैंग्वेज क्या बनी? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट ऑफ द कर्व एट गिवन पॉइंट. वो कैसे निकलता है? हाउ टू फाइंड आउट दैट वन? बाय डेरिवेटिव. तो सिंपली पहले हम इसका डेरिवेट करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा?
Tangent.
स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. एंड स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड हियर. प्रगति सी है. स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड हियर. व्हाट इज स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट? यानी कि अभी तो लिखा आपने स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट पहले टू एक्सेस कह रहा है, तो व्हाट टू राइट? जीरो. और जो हमारा स्लोप आएगा ये वी विल इक्वेट दैट स्लोप विद जीरो. सो वी विल गेट वैल्यू ऑफ x. x की वैल्यू अगेन यहाँ पुट करेंगे. व्हाट यू विल गेट? वैल्यू ऑफ पॉइंट आ गई. समझ गए क्या स्टेप्स हैं? कैलकुलेट द स्लोप ऑफ कर्व. क्या मिलेगा? नहीं, स्लोप ऑफ कर्व नहीं है. कैलकुलेट द डेरिवेटिव. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कर्व तो क्या मिलेगा? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. एंड स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड. कह रहा है क्या? पैरेलल टू एक्स. तो पैरेलल टू एक्स है तो एक्स एक्सिस का स्लोप क्या होगा? जीरो. वो भी जीरो के बराबर होगा. करते हैं. सही. हाँ चलिए पहले इसको कर लें. एलसीएम लेके कर लें. तो इट इज 25x² प्लस 4y² इक्वल टू 100 और नॉट. ऐसे ले लें. So now what is its slope? Sorry, derivative. 20x plus 8y divided by dx.
Yes.
सही है ना? Is equal to what?
Zero.
So dy by dx equal to that is minus 50x upon 8y. थोड़ा कैंसिल करते हैं. 2 से 25. So that is minus 25 by 4 x upon y. This is the slope. This is the slope. Now points, we have to find out points actually. Slope is always will be there at any point. कर्व पे कोई भी आपका दिया ना, ये कर्व आपका, तो इसके बहुत सारे टेंजेंट हो जाएंगे. यहाँ भी हो जाएगा, यहाँ भी हो जाएगा. Here will be also, है ना? So many points are there. So many points है, depending on number of points there will be number of tangents will be there. लेकिन हमें वो वाला टेंजेंट लेना है which is parallel to x axis. हमने ये वाला लेना है. ठीक? तो इसका स्लोप कितना हुआ? 0. So and slope is this. So we will equate this one equal to
Zero.
minus 25 by 4 x upon y equal to what? 0. Cross multiply.
हाँ.
तो क्या आ गया?
Zero जाएगा. X is equals to 25.
x equals to 25 कैसे हो जाएगा?
x equal to 0 जाएगा
अच्छा हाँ
है ना. So d 0 is 0. So 25 x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 आएगा. X equal to 0. So now x equal to 0 you put here. It is 0. So y equal to what?
y equals to 1 minus
Plus minus 5. Y square equal to 25. Yes, तो याद है घड़ी मत दे. See, घड़ी चलते रहती है. So the value of x you are getting 0. इसकी वैल्यू हम प्लेस करो, it will be 0.
yes
So what you will get?
y equals to 5.
We will get y square equal to 25. So y equal to that is plus minus 5. So points are points are 0, 5 and 0, minus 5. This is solution of first part. जो पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस वाला था, इसका था पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. बात समझ में नहीं आई?
yes sir.
फिलहाल समझ में आई? यशु, हाँ तो वीडियो देख लो. हाँ, घड़ी और आते भी ऐसी कैमरा वॉच आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर सीइंग. क्या देख रहे
अरे कैमरा देख रहा हूँ, शैतानी कर रहा होगा, पकड़ा जाऊंगा.
Okay, nine. He is very good boy. By behavior, he is very good boy. There is no doubt. Now, second part is same slope is parallel to y-axis now. Parallel to y-axis means what is slope of y-axis? Infinity or 1/0. So this should be कितना बोलो? Second case. When tangent is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. What should I write? Minus 25/4 x upon y is equal to 1/0. इस बार क्या 0 होगा साहब?
y equals to
It is 4y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 now. Y equal to 0. Put this value here again. इसमें फिर रखो.
x.
So if we are getting that we are getting x square equal to 1. So it will give x square equal to 4. So x equal to plus minus. So the points are क्या क्या points बोलो? 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. These are the points. Clear? So note it down.